Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing 1 minute Rakhi DIY. It's very quick and easy. Anyone can make it. It's that easy. I made it in just 1 minute. I love to DIY Rakhis for my brother. I thought to share one with you today. It's that quick and easy that you can make it on the same day as well. I used Rolly Molly in it, which consider very auspicious to wear on this particular day. The material we needed for this DIY is Molly, of course, scissors, fabric glue, and a decorative trinket. You can use any decoration of your choice, and it's very easily available in the market as well. So first of all, take Molly 4 inches extra according to the measurements of the wrist. Take this beautiful decorative flower with the help of glue, and yay, we are done. I'm securing the back with a piece of felt, and now let it dry. Now it's secured and nice. I made 2 knots around it to complete the look. I hope you all love this craft. Thank you so much for watching.